everybody.
Hello, everybody, and we are going to do a Jake and Grandma story time video.
Welcome to our day.
Wait, and I hope you like this. And the story is a Pete the Cat story. It's not left and right. So, you will probably like this story if you saw only other Pete the Cat stories, and I hope you like this. And we also have a Pete the Cat plushie that you can look at to remind it of the story. If you cannot see the story, but I hope you can see the story.
So here we go. This is called Pete the Cat and the New Guy. And our Pete the Cat looks almost like him, except this Pete the Cat has 4 red shoes, where ours has 1 red and 1 blue, but that's okay. It's still the same thing. So, do you want to read one of the pages?
No, you read.
So Pete the Cat, here's the first page. It says, it was a Sunday and Pete's friends had come to play. They were rocking to a new song when beep, 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 there was a noise coming from across the street. Look at Pete playing his guitar. And then Pete could not imagine who this new guy could be. I really hope it's a new friend for me. He's still rocking with his guitar. Pete said, "Don't be sad and don't be blue. There is something everyone can do." On Monday, Pete wanted to say hi, but he was feeling kind of shy. So he just rode by and by and by, until finally Pete got to meet the new guy. I wonder who the new guy would be. Pete said, "I've never met anyone quite like you. You seem like a duck and like a beaver too." The new guy said to Pete, "Hi, my name is Gus. Glad to meet you. I'm a platypus." Pete said, "You're not like me, and I'm not like you. But I think being different is really something very cool." On Tuesday, Pete and Gus took a walk down the street. They came to a squirrel who was playing in a tree. "Hi, Gus," said Squirrel. "Climbing is easy. Try it and see." Gus gave the tree a try, but the branch was way too high. "I wish I could climb like you, but climbing is something I just can't do." Pete said, "Don't be sad and don't be blue. There is something that everyone can do." Yep. On Wednesday, Pete and Gus took a walk down the street. They came to Pete's friend's grumpy Toad, who said, "Come play leapfrog with me. Jumping is easy. Try it and see." Gus jumped and leaped, but he could not get over Toad or Pete. "I wish I could jump like you, but jumping is something I just cannot do." Can you jump, Pete? Let's see you jump. Pete said, "Don't be sad and don't be blue. There is something that everyone can do." And on Thursday, Pete and Gus took a walk down the street. Soon they saw Octopus, who said, "Come juggle with me. Juggling is easy. Try it and see." Look at the octopus. Here he's juggling. I wish I could juggle like you, but juggling is something I just cannot do. I think he's sad. Pete said, "Don't be sad, don't be blue. There is something that everyone can do." On Friday, Pete and Gus took a walk down the street. Gus said, "I can't juggle or jump or climb a tree. It's no fun around here for me." Oh, look how sad the platypus is. But Pete's his friend. On Saturday, Pete hoped Gus would come out to play. I wish Gus wasn't sad. I wish Gus wasn't blue. I wish there was something we could do. Just then, Pete heard a groovy sound. It was coming from across the street. Gus was rocking to his own beat. Sweet! Pete said, "Check out Gus, the platypus. He found something cool he can do with us." Oh, look at that big drum set. Thump, thump. Tap, thump, thump, tap. There, they're all playing the drums. He's not sad. He's not blue. Gus found something that everyone can do. And there they are. They're playing in the band, all of them right there. How did you like that story?
Well, is it all done? Yeah. No, it isn't.
Groovy Gus Bus. There we have it, our very first story time with Grandma, Jake, and Pete. We hope you enjoyed our first story together. Stay tuned for part 2 coming up. Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Okay. I hope you have a good day. And that was our story. I hope you liked it.